Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to remove green screen from your video clips and CapCut, so let's get started. Alright guys, in the first step head over to CapCut, launch it on your computer for example, and what you want to do next is add green screen footage to your video project. For example, they feature masses of video clips containing that green screen effect on Canva or in the Canva library. So for demonstration purposes I will go with that video clip here, so let me download it on my computer. Head back to CapCut, upload and import it to my library, and next let me place it on that video track here next to that video clip here on my timeline. And if I play that green screen footage here in the preview mode, we will notice that there's still that green background, and I would like to get rid of that and instead keep that subscribe button here without that green background. So this is how you can do it, guys. Select your green screen footage with your left mouse on your timeline and next head over to this section here at the top, video, and select remove a BG or background. Next scroll down till you see this section here, chroma key, select it here to the left by clicking on that box here, and next click on that pencil icon below, the color picker, and after that simply left click anywhere here on that green surface in your preview window, just like that, to get rid of that green background. There you go. As you can see, that green background has been removed. You can also adjust the removal intensity by moving that slider here to the right or to the left, intensity. And last but not least, select your video clip with your left mouse on your timeline and place it on a separate video track above your main video clip, just like that. So that subscribe button overlays my main video clip. Let me show you how it looks like in a preview mode. There you go, only the subscribe button has been left. There's no green background, no green screen. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.